Hello everybody, how's it going? My name is Mark, I'm from NullTX, aka Null Transaction, and today I will be talking about Ripple's price. We had some crazy gains today, went up over 30% in a single day, currently trading at 43 cents. Earlier today it was just trading at 32 cents, so some crazy price rises. Ripple is another currency joining the what I call unicorn cryptocurrencies that have been going up a crazy amount lately, despite everything else kind of being in the red. So Dogecoin was one of them, Tezos is one of them, there's a few others. The good news is cryptocurrencies market cap overall is above 200 billion. We're currently at 210 billion, and as I was saying earlier, I think the 200 billion is kind of a key level. So as long as we can stay above that, then I'm going to be really hopeful that I think we're finally getting out of this really bad bear market. So the reason why people are saying that Ripple's price went up so much was because of the X Rapid announcement. And X Rapid is supposedly a way to lower liquidity costs for payment providers. And it's, when you hear that and you keep reading that over and over, it doesn't really make any sense. So from what I mean, don't quote me on that. Personally, what I think it is just a way for payment processors to accept Ripple payments or settle it with their banks without really having to deal with the exchange rates and having the exchange rate move as they try to sell Ripple or buy Ripple and so forth. It's a good announcement. X Rapid is a good technology, but just those rumors moving the price up so much, I think that's just an excuse. I don't really think that because Ripple is kind of come out with this X Rapid technology, all of a sudden it's going to be the next best thing. But that's just my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The other thing I want to point out about Ripple is the community is really divided about it. You either love Ripple or you hate Ripple. So it's not necessarily a bad thing, because having passion behind a cryptocurrency is better than not having anybody care about it. And that's part of the reason why Ripple is number 3 by market cap, and actually catching up to Ethereum. At this rate, it will help surpass it in a few weeks. So we had an article here. It's titled 3 Bearish and Bullish Predictions for Late 2018 for Ripple's Price. And I'm just going to go over the charts a little bit and kind of show you guys what happens now, because these charts were made a few days ago. So this chart by KDib82, he said that he's playing the short position on Ripple. Unfortunately, that didn't work out, because as you can see here, the price just kept going up and up and out even of this graph of this chart's range. He pretty much used Elliott's waves to predict that the price is going to go lower. And that's one other thing I wanted to mention. You can't really rely on technical analysis too much. You still want to look at the overall trend, but even in this case, it was pretty hard to predict that Ripple was just going to break out like this. So let's go to the next chart. The next chart I think is a little more bullish. It's not as bearish. It's just leaving the descending channel. So I like this chart a little better, just because it's a lot more simpler. He pretty much used 2 trend lines to show the overall trend of the market and said, what, around this level we should have a breakout. So actually, this chart looks like it almost played out correctly, just because here something was bound to happen, and in this case it broke up even past the 42 cent level. So that's why I like these charts more. They're just more looking at like the bigger picture and the bigger trends. But even this was extremely hard to predict Ripple's breakout. And if you go look at the last chart, which is a little more bullish, is even this chart didn't quite get it right, because the price went way over its any lines that it mentioned, major resistance, first and second support. So that just shows how volatile cryptocurrency markets are, and maybe it might pay off to just be bullish towards the end. I mean, that's how I am. I'm definitely still bullish with cryptocurrency. I think Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, all of them will hit new highs. I think it's just a matter of time, especially now that Q4 is coming up. I think Q4 might be a very strong months and period for crypto markets, just because Christmas time, that's when all the crazy highs happened. January 2018 and 2014, it was all around Christmas that cryptocurrency really peaked. I'm not sure why. Maybe because people are giving away crypto as a presents, or just the whole atmosphere of it. So other than that, I don't think there's much else to talk about when it comes to Ripple, just for the time being. I will keep you guys updated if there's any other major price movements. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any thoughts or comments about what do you think will happen with Ripple's price in the near future, please leave a comment. Thank you guys all for watching. My name is Mark. I'm from NullTX, and I'll see you guys next time.